All right. What's up, guys? Okay, once again. All right, I'll start by saying Happy New Week to you all. And thanks for joining this live session. So now this is a live analysis on what I'm expecting to see the market do this week. So starting with EURUSD, as you can see on my screen, what's the market gonna do? What we anticipating? For me, I'm still anticipating to see more buys, right? I already analyzed it. Although I expected price to come back down here before we buy, but then let us see what the market is saying. So obviously, I like to start from. I mean, for those of you just joining me, please do well to subscribe to this channel and also use the link in my Telegram in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. So let's go right into it. So for me, I like to analyze the market from the weekly time frame down to the let's say the 5 minutes or 3 minutes or even 1 minute, depending on where we see our entry. So overall, we've been saying that what's price doing basically? Price is trying to give us more like sweep of liquidity. We've had this, price came back down, right? This came here, and currently we're around this area. So meaning we also got back down here and want to see price take our liquidity around these areas for people that were selling. So most likely we might just do this, right? Might just do this. So on the week, this is on the weekly time frame, right? This is what I'm expecting, sweep of liquidity to either this level or this level. So now we've seen the diagram. Let's see what the candlesticks would actually be saying or is saying. So overall, this will be our weekly time frame. We had a gap here on the daily. We had a gap here that got filled up. So this is our weekly. We're saying that okay, now we've established the fact that we're bullish because price already changed from bearish, change character into bullish. Let's look at the daily time frame right now. So right here, you can see what I was saying. I said price gave us this, came here, this, right? Came here, this, change character, right? After all this, change character, came here, gave us a lower, a higher low. Currently, we're waiting to see a higher high to take out this guy. So right now, we are still trading around this area, which is this is what price is basically doing. So what am I expecting to see the market do also? Now, this is also what we're doing on the daily time frame, right? So I'm expecting to see price just buy into either this area or back into this area, right? For me, I want to see price fill up into this area, then we can choose to continue selling. Basically, this is what might see the market do, right? This is what we might see the market do, right? So this is what we might see the market do. But yeah, let me take this out and let's continue what we're saying. So now we've established the fact that yes, automatically we're bullish because we already changed character around here, sweeping out this equal high, right? Change character, you can see it, and price gave us this. Okay, we had an imbalance here, a gap to mitigate rather, right? Which I guess that should be on the 4-hour time frame or something because this trader analyzed it for us last week and my team members. So now we're looking at this new week. So automatically we've seen that this is a daily low, and this is another a daily high around here, right? Which I am expecting to see price take out. Good. So now we've seen that, okay, if you look at it very well, we can see that on the higher time frame, price has gotten into this POI around this place. Price just tapped into this POI for this candle here, tapped into this POI, and currently we're trading above. We're now trading, we're going up rather, right? So we've established another fact that okay, we have a POI that price has already tapped into, which is the fair value gap, right? Let's go down to the 1 hour. Good. So on the 1 hour now, we've seen that okay, fine. Price has done this, has given us this opportunity, right? We can see now clearly that price is already, this is what price is doing. It has given us a higher low, higher high, right? Or not really a higher high yet. We're still yet to break this high. So this is not really, has not been broken yet. So we should actually be trading with caution till this high is broken. So for me, I'm expecting to see this guy. Okay. So two things involved. Okay. Two things involved. So for me, now we've established this fact that okay, prices has given us another low, right, around this area here, right? Now I want to see price retrace a little bit. Yes. So let's go down to the 30 minutes. Let's see what price if it's going to give us better opportunity to take advantage of, right? If we'd see better opportunity to take advantage of. Now we've seen that all of these things we have gaps here. So most likely we might actually see price still come back down, do something like this. I'm coming, sorry. Might I see price? Okay, sorry. Might I see price do something like this, come back down towards 463 region, 463 region, around this region, right? We might just see price just decline a little bit. So now we might just, or we might see price just give us this opportunity. Let me use my marker too. So we might just see price do something like this, right? Up into this area, then continue, right? Basically, it's just to sweep out liquidity, right? Or we might just see price do this, still the same thing. Or we might still see price just buy up, start coming down. You get me? Fill up, then go. Right? But basically, all these things I'm saying, I'm just waiting to see price basically sweep out liquidity above first, right? Sweep out liquidity. Probably give us a liquidity pool. Come back down into this place to mitigate this little gap we've seen, fill up, then continue buying. So, okay, for me, or we might just see price decide to just, let's go down to the 50 minutes. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this gap here. I don't know if you can see the gap here, but there's a gap here, obviously. My rectangle too. You might just see a gap here, basically. Like, you might just see a gap here, right? I mean, so let me show you. You can see it here. This is the gap. So price filled it up, but I still expect to see price. Now, okay, interesting. On the 15 minutes, we can see that, okay, price has already printed out another opportunity for us to buy from. So another opportunity for us to buy from. So automatically, we might just have to place a pending order either around here for us not to miss out. 715, either 4715. Sorry, around this area basically, or either around here, either place a pending order here, so you don't miss out on the trade, right? Put your stop loss, anywhere around 20 pips is not bad, right? To target. Now, this is if you're targeting like the next high. This is a 1 ratio. If you're targeting, if we're saying we're targeting this, what's the name? This liquidity pool that was created here, this liquidity zone, fine. This is a 1:4, which is not bad, right? To start the week, it's not bad. Or if you want to just do 1:2, not to get greedy, to sweep out this high, right? It's still not bad. 1:2, still not bad, right? For me, I like to be precise about on any trade I'm taking. So I'll wait patiently. I'll wait for price to either come back down to this area, 6.3, right? 6.3. I want price to come back down to the 50% of the order block. So I want price to come back down to the 50% of the order block. And right, 50% of the order block. So basically, I want to see price buy up gradually, right? Then do this. Either come to this zone, continue buying, or come to this zone here and buy to sweep out. So if we're taking this trade from this area to target this, we're not doing so much, right? We're not doing so much. We're just doing at least this. It's not a bad thing. Now, if I want to take this trade, I can easily just take this trade with a 15 pip stop loss. So with a 15 pip stop loss, this is going to give me 1 ratio. Okay, let's do this. It's going to give me 1 ratio 5.3, almost 1 ratio 4, right? Which is not bad to start the week. Which is not bad to start the week. So let me indicate it here. This is for Euro USD. Right? Buy order block. Okay. Sorry. So this is the buy order block. So I want to see price either stay on the 50% of the buy order block. Now, price will basically just build liquidity for me. Build liquidity for me. Can have a trend line liquidity. For those that want to use trend line, price will just take out the trend line liquidity. But I want to see price fill up this whole thing, buy and sell. That's for Euro USD, right? Euro USD. And now this, if this should happen like this, what it has actually done would be on the lower time frame, you can actually see that price broke structure, right? It has given us a high, low, broke structure, and now want to see price tap into this area again before we buy. That's for Euro USD. So we'll look at GBPUSD. Now, GBPUSD and Euro USD are almost the same thing. They move in the same pattern, and just that for me, I'm not interested in taking this sell. No longer interested in taking this sell because it hasn't gotten to where I want to see it yet. Now, why I'm not interested in taking this sell, because Euro USD is showing me that it still has tendencies to sweep out liquidity above. So I'm no longer interested in taking this sell because we might just take out our stop loss before we sell. So for me, I'm going to take this out. Price has given us, let's start from the daily time frame as usual. Same thing, okay. But this time around, price has not even given us, hasn't mitigated here yet. So for me, okay. Sorry about that. So around here, we should be able to see, okay. So, okay. I'm interested in seeing this zone. Let me change this color. So we have our 4-hour POI here, point of interest, which price the market actually just did this. Came up here, left the 4-hour POI, and it didn't tap into it. It kept on moving, came back down to build up liquidity, came here, did this, came here, did this to sweep out liquidity. Now a lot of people were selling from here, and now sweep out liquidity and activate our 4-hour POI. Then we've bought. Then it bought into this area. Now we have a fair value gap here, which was mitigated, and currently price is doing this. So most likely we might see price just do this, right? Just keep going like that gradually. This is what we might see. We might see price just do this and keep buying. Basically to just mitigate this other guy. So let's still look at it again. Now we've seen that price has given us, after this one, a higher high, higher low. I want to see price come back down a little bit. Same pattern that, what's the name, was given. EURUSD was given. You get, and come back down. You get till we take out this high. So we take out this high before I can call it a valid higher high. So take out this high to now give us a break of structure, right? I can call it a valid higher high. So let's look at, what pair should we look at? Let's look at gold. I've been bullish on gold. Let's see what gold has been doing. Okay. Now, gold just did not tap into this area. I was expecting price to come back down from this area, right? I was expecting price to come back down here, from here, to activate this guy and continue buying. But now gold did not do it. And for several reasons, I've been bullish on gold, because gold, we all know that gold is a safe haven for investors and big boys, big vendors, big guys that pull the market with a lot of liquidity, that comes into the market with liquidity. So as if you're trading any currency, you don't want to be saving in any of those currencies because of the high level of risk involved in it. Because this minute, US is saying, we don't want you to do this, we want you to do that. A lot of people pull out their money from USD and GBP or Euro. So, but the safe haven is either cryptocurrency or gold. Now, cryptocurrency will be too volatile and too risky for people to push their money into. So the best thing is just to save your money in gold. No matter the year it's gonna take, you know that this guy is still, your money is safe regardless. You get, so gold has always been a safe haven. So for me, what am I expecting to see gold do? For the fact that this guy has already printed out this on the lower time frame, I would say once just sell, then first before any other thing. And the reason is because price has given us, this is on the lower time frame, price has given us a higher high, low, change character, broke structure, came back here, here, and it's giving us this. So this is what I'm seeing price do. It's giving us this already. It's giving us more like a triple top, right? So that's what I'm expecting to see gold does do. What other pair would you want me to analyze for you? You can put it in the chat box or send me a DM on Telegram. Join my Telegram channel and send me a DM, and so we'll analyze this market. We'll be coming back live New Year session to also analyze and see what the market is doing and give any updates and take more questions. Do well to join the live session, New Year session. As you already know, guys, who is active.